In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your edits go from this to this. We'll be using Topaz Video AI to upscale the footage that we have, but we'll also be using AE Juice for the color grading aspect. We will not be using the Sapphire plugin, so this should be interesting. The first thing for us to do is to launch Topaz Video AI. If you don't have it already, you can check the link below, open it up, and click on Create a New Project. Name your project and choose a location for it. Then click on Browse Videos and basically choose your edit that you want to upscale. Double click it to import it. Now there are a few tabs on the right hand side. Let's go to Enhancements first. Here, you can choose the output resolution to 2x upscale, which means the resolution of your video is gonna get doubled. Or you can use a different resolution, but I think I tried this enough to know that using the original resolution is more than enough, especially if you have a regular 1920 by 1080p resolution. Because if you upscale this too much, your video file is going to be very gigantic without providing much additional value. But now, set the video type to progressive. For the AI model, choose this option called Produce. And as you can see right here, it's generally best for low to medium quality footage. Now you can ignore these settings and just scroll down a little bit and set the advanced tuning to manual. Okay, so basically set the fixed compression to 100, set the improved detail to 100, set the sharpen amount to 25, set the reduce noise to 100, leave the dehalo value at 0, and then set the deblur to 100. I'm not gonna explain what every setting does, but you can read through what each setting does, and you can basically tweak each one slightly differently than what I have right now. These are just my settings that I use every time I upscale my footage for YouTube Shorts edits and so on, but if you're unsure about this, you could also let Topaz change these settings automatically by clicking on the Estimate button right here. Now, I think you don't have to mess with anything else. You could click on the Preview button to see the difference made before exporting your video, which is cool. And to render out your video, click on Export. Set the codec to ProRes. Set the profile to 422HQ. You can name your file and choose the destination where you want to export it in your computer. But what you can do also beforehand is apply a LUT or a preset that changes the coloring of your video. This is optional, but you can use the AE Juice plugin for this. I talked about it before. Click the link in the description, download it on your PC and so on. Basically open it up inside Premiere or After Effects or Sony Vegas, whichever one you use. But basically search for the color grade pack. You can choose a LUT preset that you like. And once that's done, click this button to download it. After that's done, a folder is going to open up containing the preset you downloaded. As you can see, I have a lot of presets in this folder. All you have to do is copy the directory of this folder, go back to Topaz, and click this button and paste the directory here. Then double click the LUT you chose. For example, I can choose the same color grade used in the movie La La Land, which won an Oscar for its color grading, so that's cool, and boom, then I can click on Start Export. Topaz will basically mix the upscale settings that we tweaked, alongside the color grade preset we added using AI. Here's how the video looked beforehand, here's how it looks now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.